Everybody, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'll be baking hot cross bun. If this is your first time in my channel, you're welcome. So let's get started, shall we? Start by adding 4 cups of self-raising flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of yeast, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Now gently mix them together. Okay. Now add lemon zest, 1 cup of milk, whisk 1 egg, then add it in. Okay, then half lemon juice. Gently mix them together. Here I'll knead it with my hand until the dough comes together. This is fine. Then I'll add 1 teaspoon of olive oil, 30 grams of butter, then gently knead them in. I'll flour my workstation, tip the dough on my workstation, and knead it for about 8 to 10 minutes until the dough becomes smooth and elastic. This is fine. I'll grease my bowl. Place the dough in it. Then cover it for about 45 minutes until the dough doubles in size. Okay. Here I'll punch it down. Here I'll flour my workstation. Place the dough on it and flatten it out. I'll add half a cup of raisins. Then gently knead it in until it's well combined. Okay. Then I'll weigh the dough. Divide it into 12 equal portions. I'll pick up a piece, gently shape it by pinching the edges together and rolling it on my workstation. Okay, this is nice. Then I'll place it in my braiser. Okay. Yeah, I'll cover it and let it double in size for about 30 minutes. This is fine. Here I'll mix 1/8 cup of water with 1/4 cup of flour to make a paste. Then pour it in my piping bag. Then gently pipe across on the buns. And repeat the same process for the remaining 11. This is fine. I'll bake at 175 degrees Celsius for about 30 to 35 minutes until it becomes golden brown. Here is our hot cross bun. I'll glaze it with apricot jam and we're done. Thank you for watching and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Do have a wonderful week. Bye.